Hello Java developers, let's solve a new question problem of Java 500 program series. In this program series, we are discussing string basics program and we are in this program that is remove spaces. This is our sixth question problem, remove spaces. So let's find out by using two methods. Friends, now we are in VS Code and let's create a file inside this. Okay, so our file name is remove spaces dot java. Okay, go inside this and write our Java program. That is, first create a class, public class, remove, and this class name always be as same as your file name. Okay, so go inside this class and now create man method, public static void man, and inside this public static void man method, create a scanner class object scanner sc equal to new scanner and system dot in semicolon. So it will automatically import this scanner class. If it is not import this automatically, you should try to import by itself. Okay, then move ahead. Now we gonna take our input, a string as input. So first write system.out.println and enter a string. So and let's take string, anything that you want, as equal to sc.next line. Okay, after that string result equal to what, we can also take this as str. Okay, result str dot replace all, we can also use as s, no problem, and use right here as s to s and empty quad and semicolon. So it will replace empty space into that will connect that. Okay, then print, sorry, we cannot use print statement, just use system.out.println string after remove spaces colon plus result print. Okay, now run this program. Okay, here we need to take a string as an input. So let's take hello Tom, how are you? Then press enter. So it will merge that. So here was some spaces between them, and now there is no any space. Okay, between them. So this is the use of replace all to remove spaces. Okay, now use for loop. Okay, so just remove this stuff only. First we need to take a string as input, then after that result string result equal to empty string semicolon to store result values. Okay, for I, for int I equal to 0, I is less than string dot length semicolon I plus plus. Go inside this for loop, if string dot character at index I is not equal to empty quad with the space, then we can add that into result plus equal to str dot character at index I and use semicolon. Okay, after that we can print that. Some note out of println string, mm, string after remove spaces colon and use plus and result. We save this and now try to run this. Enter a string hello Tom Moody. So it will merge that, remove the spaces between them. Okay, hello Tom only, and now this is merged without any spaces. Okay, so this is the way to use for loop to remove spaces between this string. Okay, so this is the simple program to do that. Okay, now after this video we will move to next one. Okay.